Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. This is Iqbal, Virtual Academy, and I am Mama Akram. Today we are going to start our Physics Lecture 1. You ready? Let's go. First of all, what is physics? So physics is the branch of science which answers to those questions for which humans are too curious. Just like why we came to Earth, how our universe began, how it works, and many more. But generally, physics definition is that it's the branch of science in which we study the matter and energy and how these are interrelated, right? So let's go to our question and answer session. First question is that, is sun a star? What do you think? True or false? So it is true, right? Sun is a star. What is the name of our galaxy? It's too common question, and the answer is exactly the Milky Way, right? Next is how many planets in the solar system have rings? So there are 4 planets which consist of rings. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune that have rings, right? So what is inertia? It is measurement of electrical resistance or a ratio between mass and velocity, or resistance to motion or change, or it can be the speed at which an object falls, or it is all of them. So the answer is resistance to motion or change. That's inertia, right? Next are some devices which we have to measure what it measures. First is stopwatch. So stopwatch measures the elapsed time, because watch is used to watch time, so stopwatch is used for elapsed time, right? Next is scale, which is used to measure weight, right? Next is thermometer. Thermometer is used for temperature, because thermo is heat and temperature is also heat, right? So next is speedometer. So speedometer is used for measuring the rate of travel, right? Next is odometer. That is used to measure the distance. That's all right. Another question is that how did the universe begin? That's really a question asked by a lot of people, especially students, students, right? So the answer is that according to the standard Big Bang model, the universe was born during a period of inflation that began about 13.8 billion years ago. Like a rapidly expanding balloon, it swelled from a size smaller than an electron to nearly its current size within a tiny fraction of a second. Thanks a lot for watching. That's our Physics Lecture 1. Keep watching. Inshallah, our chemistry, bio and mathematics lectures will come soon. Please share, like and subscribe Iqbal Virtual Academy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.